Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, hope you enjoy it and maybe you'll subscribe to us. So, why did we get one of these? Why did we get a dash cam? Well, the past 3 years driving this thing around, a number of times that people have swerved in front of me, and all sorts of other stuff on the freeways. I thought it was time to do something about it, protect ourselves. So we got this dash cam. Okay, so going along with the safety thing this week I've been doing is this dash cam that I'm hopefully going to install today. Now it does come with a 12 volts plug-in. You can plug into any socket, 12 volt socket, cigarette socket in your vehicle. But also got this in case I want to hardwire it, 12 volt down to 5 volt, because this uses 5 volts instead of 12 volts. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so Hope got me this for Christmas. So that's what, almost 5 months ago now. Finally getting around to installing it. Seems like a good piece of kit, so we'll see how this goes. Looks good. Okay, so because I want the power cord to come out somewhere up here, I took the lights out up front for now, so I can run the cables to where I want them to go. So I just took a couple screwdrivers and I think it's called a spudger tool or something like that. This thing worked good, not too bad. Okay, so far the cable just comes here, it's routed all the way along the front edge of the windshield, through this pillar, underneath this black gasket type material, all the way back through that one there, and it's coming out the other side. Okay, so that just mounts with some adhesive tape. Peel it, stick it on, unplugged. Should be good now. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, so this component is installed. That is the 12 volt down to 5 volt converter. So I gotta add a ferrule to this to place in there, and the negative will go from here to this bus bar so far. Okay, so we got positive coming from the fuse block up here, switch, negative going to the negative bus bar that goes all the way back to the battery bank. So now we just gotta cut this off, wire it in, and Bob's your uncle, hopefully it works. So in for a penny, in for a pound. Let me cut this off. Okay, for some reason when I was originally filming this, I showed where, yeah, there we go, that's what I wanted to see. Yeah, right there. We went from negative to the bus bar, and the positive went up to the switch, and then the actual dash cam itself is wired in right here. So that is the wiring for it. For some reason 4 months ago when I did this, I forgot to record that part, but yeah, there you go. Okay, so I got it mounted in the number 3 switch up there. I just turned it on and we have life on the system. So now I gotta read the manual, so stand by. Okay, so there you go. It is set up, it is recording, it's on a loop, so as long as there's power to it, she will be recording. That was pretty simple, to be truthful. We have this thing wired, so basically it's part of our security system. I mean, when we're set up somewhere, it's recording 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it's not draining the vehicle battery. Our solar system is good enough. I can leave this for months at a time and not have to worry about it. So that was the main reason for going with wiring it to the house battery versus to the vehicle battery. A little bit more security for us, one more camera, and I've already had one vehicle that was damaged in the parking lot, and this just is that one extra layer. So that is the main reason why it is wired to the box up there, and it works damn good. We're happy with it. That's the main thing. A little 10-second clip of the cool crazy dash cam, and the quality is actually really, really good. Okay, so yesterday we went down to see Hope's knee surgeon, and this is the results from yesterday.
I am cleared from any, I can do whatever I want to do. It's my choice of what I want to do. It's all fine. I'm released from their program. The only thing they said, if anything happens again while we're out and about, because the VA now has consults for a year instead of a certain amount of days, and within this year, if anything happens to us while we're out and about to my left knee, then I can go back to them and they'll fix me up. But other than that, I'm great.
So only thing now waiting on is in about 10 days, Hope gets her first eye surgery, and then in about 30 days she gets her second eye surgery, and then we can hit the road and start traveling again.
I won't be wearing these anymore, only for reading.
Hopefully, yeah.
I'm planning on it.
So that's the good news. So thanks for watching, guys.
Love you guys.
We'll catch you on the flip side.
Bye.